So everyone is talking about digital marketing, digital marketing. So first thing we need to understand why do we need digital marketing? And before understanding the digital marketing, let's talk about the marketing one. So why do people do marketing, right? Marketing is basically there are three things in marketing. One is that how do you generate business, and then after that how do you promote business, and then it comes for scaling up, right? How do you scale up the business? So for any marketing you go about, there are three purposes only: to bring business, to maintain business, and to scale up the business. So this is one of the most talked about agenda, that yes, we need marketing. So earlier we used to do some different pattern, like we used to do TV ad, and still we are doing it. We can't say that we are not doing it, right? But again, if you talk about the popularity, now popularity of OTT movie is more than the regular movies. So obviously the ad will shift to the OTT movie, not to the regular TV movies. So this is the difference. Now we need to understand, if you have to get the growth as an individual, as a company, as an expert, so anyhow we have to switch on the digital marketing. So now what is digital marketing? It's all about like promoting yourself online, right? So if you get the website, you need to bring the website visitor. If you get a retail store offline, you need to get the visitor. So visitor is common, right? Whether it's an offline or online business, visitor is common. The only thing we need to understand, that how do we get the visitor online? That digital marketing will help you out.